Hi, Coach Laurel here. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be giving you a glimpse at what it means to lead a fully integrated life. If reality is the first layer of life, and our experience is the second layer, and our interpretation of experience is the third layer, then the judgment of our interpretation would be the fourth layer. The fifth layer would then be investing our time and energy contrasting to that which is outside of us. Think of the media, think of other people's expectations, think of what is it that we connect our self-worth to externally. So as you can see, there are many layers to this experience of life. However, the farther we move away from reality, the more pain and struggle and anguish we experience. In coaching, we look at peeling back the layers of misinterpretation, assumption, and judgment, and living in the moment, accessing our truth and living from true self or highest self. So in essence, the first thing to do is access true self. The second thing to do is look at our lives as a whole. In integrative coaching, we become masterful because we're addressing every aspect of self and so consider somatically, the health of the body, our relationship to physical health. Cognitive, our relationship to our intellectual life, our intellectual development. Emotional, how well can we interpret our own emotions, use them towards our own success, and pick up and empathize with other people. Spiritual, what is our relationship to that which is bigger than us? However you define that. Consider relational. What is our relationship to self? What is our relationship to others? Integrational. How are we looking at all aspects of our life and including that in all of our decision making? Vocational. How is our life purpose showing up in what we're doing? And last, energetic. What energy do we want to bring into something? Are we going to bring in powerful energy or curious energy? How we show up in the world and our attitude affects all that we touch. So, in essence, these are the 8 domains that integrative coaching touches on and helps us to answer our life's calling and our life's deepest questions. I truly hope you've enjoyed this integrative perspective. We are the Institute for Integrative Coach Training, and you can find us at integrativecoachtraining.com to learn more.